For 35 years, advanced vehicle technology competitions have been driving change in engineering education, a journey that's transformed students, elevated universities, and redefined industry partnerships. Like any journey, the dashboard tells the story of where we've been and where we're headed. For university leaders, here's what the numbers reveal when engineering education evolves beyond the classroom.
Advanced vehicle technology competitions are a fantastic real-world learning opportunity. The students learn so much by working with industry partners and with one another in the team dynamic, preparing them for the future of the industry needs.
We really value these student competitions as a way to really add on to what we do in our classrooms and in our laboratories with our students.
This elite network has connected 111 universities across North America, developing 32,000 alumni who are now shaping the future of transportation. Today, AVTCs engage 3,000 students from more than 50 academic disciplines, with over 80% being undergraduates getting their first taste of real-world engineering.
There's nothing like it. I think that there's nothing that can replace the hands-on experience we're going to gain, and it's like being able to be in industry with still being in school.
Students receive over 1,000 hours of specialized training from industry experts representing 37 sponsor companies. This includes more than 300 hours of vehicle testing at OEM proving grounds and over 250 hours of dynamometer testing at the California Air Resources Board.
Getting hands-on with your hardware, understanding how it works. I feel like that has been an invaluable experience because what you have in theory is different from what you have in real life.
It's giving our students an opportunity to realize, okay, this is what it's like to really work as an engineer, not just be an engineering student.
Strategic partnerships deliver tangible value. Current sponsors invested over $28 million into the AVTC program through cash, cutting-edge hardware, and professional software inaccessible to students otherwise.
Everything we learn on this team can be transferred directly to the industry. All the methods we learn, documentation, Simulink, MATLAB.
NX, AVL, Gamma Technologies, all these products we're learning how to use, which we never would have had the opportunity to as an undergraduate.
This industry collaboration has sparked 210 new courses across university curricula.
I'm going to be directly transferring all these skills into my new career in the automotive industry, and I'm very excited to do that.
The real measure? Student success. AVTC graduates don't just find jobs, they accelerate past their peers, earning $5,000 to $10,000 more in starting salaries. Since 2018 alone, over 200 companies have recruited AVTC students, and 92% of team leaders credit their competition experience with landing their dream jobs.
I think it makes me a much stronger candidate for different job opportunities because I have experience in real-world situations and engineering problems.
What we hear routinely is that our students are extraordinarily polished in those interviews and things that land them that next career step.
I know a lot of members of our team have already gotten jobs with some of the partners from this competition, which has been really cool. It really makes an awesome point on my resume to kind of talk about the real-world applications, the real-world engineering that we're doing.
These outcomes are the result of a fundamentally different approach to learning, one that prepares students for career leadership, not just their first job.
It's not just the hard skills of being able to develop Simulink models and test hardware, but also soft skills that they develop throughout the competition make them much better engineers and project managers and communicators.
I'm currently leading a team of 40 students, and next year I'll be the project manager on the team leading over 100. Without EcoCar, I wouldn't be doing any of this.
AVTCs are where academic theory meets industry reality, where students become professionals.
There is definitely an investment on behalf of the university, but it's very much worthwhile. There's a really strong return on that investment. The DOE and industry and the higher ed institutions, we're pooling our resources to do much bigger things than we could just do on our own.
When you look around at the teams we're competing with, we're in a pretty elite group. So I think it brings recognition, improves our reputation, and just makes us an all-around better school.
For university leaders ready to give students this competitive edge and help solve the world's most pressing transportation challenges, the road is open.